Let's make pesto pasta. This recipe is great for spring and can be both gluten and dairy-free. To start with the lemon pepper chicken marinade, here is what you'll need. Begin by peeling and mincing your cloves of garlic. This also would be a great time to use a garlic press if you have it. When the garlic is ready, place it into a large bowl where you'll make the rest of the marinade. Into the same bowl, zest your lemon. Avoid zesting white areas of citrus as they are bitter. Now cut open and juice 1/2 of your lemon. To finish the marinade, add about 1/4 cup of pepper, salt to taste, and about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Finally, whisk everything together. Now you can prepare your chicken. Start by removing any fatty or undesirable parts of the chicken breast. Then cut your chicken into 1 to 2 inch cubes. Mix your chicken in the marinade and let rest while preparing the rest of the ingredients. And always make sure to clean off your surfaces after dealing with raw meats. While the chicken marinades, it's time to make the pesto. These are the ingredients you'll need. To make it dairy-free, use nutritional yeast. In a food processor, add in your garlic, almonds, basil, nutritional yeast or Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and a dash of salt and pepper. Then blend the ingredients together, continually adding oil until you get the consistency you want. This is what mine looked like when finished. Salt a boiling pot of water and add in your pasta. While your pasta cooks according to the directions on the box, add in your chicken into a large pan on medium-high heat. Let each piece brown for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until cooked through. This is what mine looked like when finished. During this time, you should have to strain your pasta as well. To combine everything together, add your pasta and pesto into the same pan as the chicken and mix all together. You'll also want to remove the pan from the heat at this time. Enjoy the recipe and make sure to check out the rest of my channel for others. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and share it with someone who should make this recipe for you.